What starts as a routine pursuit for the Malvern Police Department quickly escalates into a 110-mile-per-hour game of cat and mouse. But the driver of this black Dodge Ram has a dark secret, one that makes him desperate to never go back to prison. Today, we're breaking down exactly how Arkansas State Police Trooper Kemp Smith brings this high-speed nightmare to a violent, crashing halt. As the suspect tears onto Interstate 30, local units struggle to safely keep up. That's when Arkansas State Police takes the lead. Trooper Kemp Smith falls in behind the fleeing truck, pushing his cruiser to its absolute limit. Speeds continuously climb over 100 miles per hour as they weave through heavy civilian traffic. The suspect is driving completely recklessly, leaving Trooper Smith with only one safe option to protect the public: a tactical vehicle intervention or pipe maneuver. The impact completely obliterates the suspect's truck, but the danger is far from over. Notice how the officers immediately initiate a high-risk felony stop. You can see the adrenaline pumping as multiple agencies converge on the wreckage with weapons drawn. They have no idea if the suspect is armed, setting an ambush, or severely injured. Watch closely as they maintain a tactical advantage and forcefully extract him from the mangled cab.
Your ass out now!
Here, hold on.
Got the phone?
Baton, watch out. Unlock the door! Ain't doing shit. Show me your hands, motherfucker! Unlock the door! Okay. Get out this way! I got it. Take that. I'm about to... Get out!
Yank him out! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Okay, I'm fine, Captain!
Hey, stop! Get your knee off his neck, stop!
Okay, Brian!
You got it.
Hey, shut your mouth. You understand me? Shut your mouth. Your mouth and put your head down. Hey, shut up. Put your head on that asphalt. Stop.
I got you. I got it.
Yes, your hands. No one's on your neck. Stop.
Nobody is on your neck.
Nobody's on your neck. Stop moving your head.
I swear to God, I will fuck you up if you don't stop.
Okay? Stop.
Y'all got his hand back there?
Yeah, I got it. Hey.
Not I'm on crazy.
Get your hand off this.
You're on.
Just a second. Hey.
Yeah, he's cuffed. He's cuffed.
Is there anybody that was with you in the truck?
No.
What did he
Let's go. Let's get him up. Let's get him up.
There we go. Sound like y'all getting all this.
We up against.
You got anything on you we need to know about?
The fuck you run?
Why the hell you running? And then endanger everybody's life trying to go to the damn interstate. Go back to city. Yeah, y'all go back to city.
Get in the car. Yes, sir. Put your feet down and sit up.
I can't. My arms. Oh shit. Ow. Ah, God damn. Please take me to the hospital.
Why didn't I have live neck come check you out? Hey, Lane, key fob, get in my car, get paper towels or some shit.
Yeah.
Central, go ahead and get life net en route.
Y'all all okay?
Yeah, I just got nasty shit from him.
Hey, if y'all, who's in the, is that your Tahoe?
I'm right here. He's in my car.
No. Whose Tahoe is that?
Liz and B.
Oh, that's Liz.
I got something wrapping in the back. Just wrap it up real quick.
Well, I'm not bleeding. It's him.
Oh, it's his.
At least I hope it's fucking him.
I don't think it's
Is that you behind me? Well, you saw me get on the
You were the
interstate.
first one here?
Yeah.
I saw you getting on the interstate, so I just kept going. And then I saw him in front of me.
Ray pulled the car out.
I was like, should I do this right now?
No.
I know. That's why I got out of everybody that come up behind me, I got out of
All right, let me look at you. Is that you or him? Hey, go get my, you got my keys still? Go get my trunk. I have 2 cases of med kits. Let me look at it. I'll clean it up. I'm not going to use this because this is mine.
Oh,
From blood from him, not from...
sorry. I thought you.
No, you're good. But I can get you cleaned up.
So you can let the powers to me know. But all of us are fine. I mean, and the dude, he's still kicking right now. I mean, he's fine. Seems fine. I don't know what the hell it still is, but 18-wheeler driver, he was hopping around up there. I ain't talked to him. One of our units is up there talking to him right now, but I think he looks fine. So none of our cars were damaged or anything. So. All right, I'll let my boss know. You might need some damn stitches, man.
How'd that happen? Ripping the truck open?
Yeah,
Hey, Dave
he's
wants to
trying to
come
get
and
in.
clean it up.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it's nothing major.
I almost ain't got no glass embedded in there. He was trying to use that window popper, and I think.
Hey, did you end up like hitting him?
I tried to figure out he brake checked whenever he took the
right
notes.
here?
No, the 91.
Yeah,
Duncan's up there.
right when he went off the, when he went to go to the 91 is when he
Well,
took
I was trying to holler Rockport to see where the heck they were at.
Well,
He couldn't get nobody to tell me a freaking thing because
right as they're going up Bailey Hill towards Hot Springs is when I met them and Rockport's ride totaled out. Huh?
That's why we need those channels.
See, I had the Rockport. See, I'm the only one with the A-Win. That's how I was able to get on the A-Win and talk to y'all.
Sheldon got behind me, so I'll let him take over. And then Sheldon let you take over.
Our unit, our policy, he's got to take over.
Huh?
Our policy, he's got to take over.
I guess you can just fill out RN
Yeah, I got
with
it.
the pursuit report. I fell in at the end, so you can add me to it.
I was primary.
No, I think he's just got it.
Yeah, you were primary for like a minute. That's what Johnson asked me. He's like, yeah, no, Ryan was primary for like a minute before when Rockport's car went down, and then. So what? I guess we don't even know why this guy's running or anything. I know he started running in Garland County. They put a BOA
I
out.
think it's for absconding.
Huh?
He's got absconding warrants.
Do we even know who he is? Has anybody ran him yet?
He's in my car.
He's in here. Where's he going?
Yeah.
We can find a driver's license.
No, he had nothing on it.
Once secured in the back of the cruiser, Pearce makes a chilling admission to the officers. Listen closely to what fueled this rampage and his disturbing final plan.
So what's your name? Why were you running?
I've been
doing drugs for about 7 days. And I just heard sirens and I took off. I really need to go to the hospital.
I know, we got an ambulance on the way. Just hold tight, buddy.
Okay.
We got an ambulance. As soon as they get here, I'm going to let them check you out, all right?
Okay.
What's hurting?
My face, my shoulders,
From that wreck?
my neck. Yeah. I took my seatbelt off, hoping I could just. Yeah.
Right, watch your foot. I'll check on you again here in a second. As soon as the ambulance gets here, I'll let them check you out, all right? Eyes now.
A 7-day drug binge and a desperate death wish. Thanks to the precise split-second execution by Trooper Smith, a highly dangerous predator was taken off the streets without any innocent civilians losing their lives. If you want to see more tactical police breakdowns, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.